What up, Winbush here. And today I just wanted to share a quick tip for if you wanted to rotate your UVs. So look at this example, as you can see right here. I have this comic book page and it's actually flipped upside down. So we can easily fix that inside of our material editor. So I'm going to make this a little bit larger in here. Just scroll on here a little bit. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to type in custom. And you'll come down here under texturing and you'll see custom rotator. So I'm going to left click on this and then we're going to take where it says rotated values. I'm going to left click, bring that under UVs, and you'll notice that it will disappear here, but we can easily bring that back. So I'm going to right click again in my material graph and I'm just going to type in TEX and it's going to be highlighted for you, but you want to bring in your texture coordinates. So I'm going to left click on this and I'm just going to drag this up and I'm going to connect this node to the UVs V2. So now you can see that our texture popped back in, but it's right side up still. We want to make it upside down here, so we'll flip it inside of our viewport. So I'm going to hold down the one key on my keyboard. I'm going to left click in here, and that's going to bring up this vector node here, in which I'm going to connect this to the rotation angle like so. And now if I select this where it says value, I'm going to type in 0.5, and you'll see that it rotates here inside of this viewport. So I'm going to hit save here. And then once I exit it out, you can see that now inside of our viewport, it's right side up. So let me go back to that material again, just so we can see it. So I'm going to minimize this so we can see what's happening better. So I'm going to select this node right here. If I select 0, hit save. Now you can see this is how it was originally. It came in upside down. That's just the way that it UV coordinated on Cinema 4D. But if I come back down here, click 0.5 and then click save, it's going to properly rotate it. So I just wanted to share this quick tip. It actually came from my last tutorial I did yesterday, but I figured having a quick tip for here for anybody that wanted to find this would be helpful. So once again, my name is Jonathan Winbush. Subscribe if you're new. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.